How to add screen record on iPhone. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can add a screen recording tool on your control center on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to begin screen recording on iPhone, you simply swipe down your control panel settings, and here you'll actually find the screen recording toggle over here, and you can just begin the recording in that way. But just in case you're not being able to actually see the screen recording toggle over here, what you want to do is open up your settings, then just look for the option called Control Center and then tap on it. Under Control Center, if screen recording is not already included here, you can just remove it. It will be included at the bottom over here. So you can just go ahead and then look for screen recording option and tap the plus icon right next to screen recording in order to add this to your Control Center. Now you can just choose the position in the order that you would like to add the screen recording toggle. And once done, whenever you swipe down your control panel settings, you will be able to see the screen recording toggle here. And now you can begin screen recording depending on your usage. This way you'll be able to go ahead and then basically add screen recording on iPhone. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.